Get the downshift. Bloop. Oh. Whoa, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today is going to be my first video I've ever done in winter on the motorcycle. I came back from vacation, being out with family, and something I've been missing really doing is riding this beast. Let's go ahead and jump on there because I don't want to stall any more time. Let's go ahead and do a cold start because I rolled it out. Since I've installed a Akrapovic exhaust, she is sounding so freaking gnarly. So is this going to be our actually first ride with this exhaust? All I can say is she sounds really nice out on the outside. But let's go ahead, give her a rip. And guys, just enjoy this beautiful day. Today I believe is December 29th, and believe it or not, today was supposed to be projected to be 55 degrees, which to me is a little astonishing that it's gonna be this warm. Oh wait, let me push out the freaking guys, this is gonna be such a raw video, but I did not anticipate pulling this bike out at all. Let's pull over actually, so I'll make sure I get them correctly. But guys, long story short, while I get things sorted out, as you can see, I really did not plan on riding this bike. I already got this guy fully prepped for winter. I got fuel stabilizer in her. I got everything prepped and ready. Because if you guys don't know me, for Thanksgiving I ended up going on vacation, and then after that, my plan was to go on vacation for Thanksgiving, see people, and then from there just leave the bike up for storage. I put the fuel stabilizer, I got the stuff to put it on the stand. I didn't buy the stand yet, but I've been moving it every once in a while so that way we don't get any flat spots on the bike. But yeah, I mean, she was prepped and ready just to sit there for all winter. And I'm gonna be honest, I know I'm a very new rider. Hold on, let me push this wheel back some more. I know I'm a very new rider, but this is something I just absolutely freaking love. Like, a car does not do the same justice as riding a bike, and because of that, I've been very much, I don't want to say depressed, but definitely when you have a super fun hobby and you can't do it, it's like, I don't know, it is depressing in a way. So I don't know, I just really miss the bike. And today I got back from vacation for visiting my family out in Chicago, and I looked at the weather and I was like, you know what, I told myself I would not ride this bike until after Christmas passed, but I can't. Today felt like such a great day. I'm half squid because I'm wearing my leather jacket as always, my Daisy leather jacket, my gloves, and then squid because I'm wearing sweatpants, and then I believe I'm wearing Nike Blazers. I'm not wearing my leather pants or my leather boots because honestly I'm just gonna rip around the neighborhood. I'm gonna go down a couple roads and honestly just tell you guys that for all you guys who are able to ride during the winter season, and I mean really ride, because some of these days it has been so cold that I don't even want to think about getting on this bike. So today is a different day in the sense that I can get on the bike and I'm going to absolutely enjoy it as much as I can. But for you guys who can, I would say take advantage of what you have. A lot of times you guys don't realize what you guys have until you guys lose it. And as much as I've been enjoying this bike, it's brought some peace and harmony to my life, just being able to get on this beast and just enjoy the wind, enjoy that freedom that a bike really gives you. Because being in a car, well, yes, it's a lot safer, and honestly, if you can ride a car or drive a car instead of driving a bike, I personally recommend it all day every day. But a bike is just, it has a soul. And now with the Akrapovic exhaust, dude, this thing sounds so gnarly. Even with the earplugs that I normally wear, I can hear this freaking bike roar. Like, oh my god, that's 7,000 RPM. Let's look at the downshift. Bloop. Oh dude, this sounds so amazing in those higher RPM. Like, you can actually hear the bike. Let's go to first. Oh, see, now the Akrapovic exhaust, this sounds like a freaking bike. Oh yeah, I'm so freaking happy that we finally put this exhaust on. Like I said, this is my legit first ride with it, and that's my first real revs with it. because for the most part, I put the exhaust on, I revved it, and then called it a day and let the bike sit. So today it's really our first ride with it like this, and I gotta say, I don't know if it's because the exhauster went out, but she definitely, or it might just be because I haven't ridden the bike in quite a while, but she feels very responsive. And that's just that we haven't even got the DKN or DNK tune yet, whatever brand it is. We still haven't got it yet, so that's still something that's gonna enliven this bike so much whenever we do it. But again, this bike, oh, I know some people went like on TikTok. Oh, also guys, if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, I'll leave it right here. It's the same videos that I post on YouTube, so you're not missing out. I don't do any TikTok exclusive stuff. It's all on every platform, TikTok, Instagram. But if you want to follow me and support me on any of those, here you go. And shameless plug. But some people on TikTok were telling me that they were wanting to buy this bike and they didn't know about it and stuff like that. And honestly, this is just an amazing bike just to have fun and just rip around, dude. Like a good old time. And right now I feel like I am in heaven. Like those downshifts with the new exhaust, dude, oh my god, sounds so freaking amazing. Whew. I don't know what the point of this video was, because honestly it was just a real raw video of just showing you guys, like, enjoy the bikes while you can, because like I said, for me at least, last year whenever I moved here to Arkansas, I'm pretty sure it was January whenever the actual snow season came around, and I think 3 days before we hit the first of the 2025, so snow is literally just right around the corner. And that being said, like, some people already have snow, some already people have the super cold weather that honestly I am never gonna ride in. Like I said, today it's a high 50s, mid 50s, and then as the sun starts getting lower and it gets cooler, that's when, like, I say I call it a day. I don't want to try this bike in super cold weather. Yeah, you can layer up and stuff, but it's something about the way it feels. Like, personally, I don't like being layered up generally, and let alone in, you know, wearing full-on leather gear. That's just not something that I think sounds like fun. So, but dude, this thing sounds so freaking good. Oh my god, let's hear this just downshifts. Oh, I don't know if the video is gonna capture it, but there's also like a little popping, just a little crackle of the exhaust, and that, oh my god, that's music to my ears. I love when bikes and cars just crackle on their own while you're downshifting. This, by all means, oh, sounds so freaking amazing. I think I'm gonna take one of these left to right. Actually, let's take a left right here. That's why not. Just go ahead and go left. I was gonna go straight, but let's go left. I don't know what's down this road, but let's go exploring for a little bit. Like I said, today's video is going to be so raw, be just riding, just enjoying this beast. I do got a new windscreen, because this one, the stock one that comes with these bikes, sucks so freaking much that I wanted to get a bigger one that actually does what it's supposed to, and that is shield you from the freaking the wind and stuff. So hopefully whenever we get that, I ordered it about a month ago, and it's coming from Italy, so I still haven't received it or gotten it yet, but I know that's going to be a great addition. But guys, let me know in the comment section below, how long have you guys been riding for, and yeah, like, what are your experiences with riding? Again, personally, it's just been a great means of just feeling alive, feeling alive, and just feeling freedom, if that makes any sense. Like, me and my best friend / cousin Philip, since he has a motorcycle as well, he's been joining me on some of these adventures, and I've shared some of the best moments of my life on this bike. Like, genuinely, I used to think that some of the best moments I had were in my Mustang, and while I've enjoyed that car a lot, it just doesn't give me the same sensation, the same rawness, the same everything that this bike does. And that's all I can say, is this bike is a whole nother beast, a whole nother thing. And guys, for any of you guys who are thinking about getting this Daytona 660, of course, I don't have any experience with any other bike except a Ninja 500, and then I think that's it besides this bike. Obviously the power is not there for the Ninja 500, and they're extremely different between the 600, that being a 500. I would say, if you're thinking about getting this bike, I 100% recommend it and think that you are definitely getting your money's worth from getting something like this. Like, there's no doubt in my mind that if you end up getting something like this, that you will enjoy the bike. Whew. Needless to say, guys, let me know in the comment section what you think. The one thing I just realized is I haven't ridden this in a while is I need to get my tank pad, because I keep hitting the tank, and maybe not because it's for the scratches, but I can definitely feel my crotch area hitting the tank and freaking hurting. So I might just be a little too far forward whenever I'm at a standstill, because I think that's what it is. But who knows? Oh baby, this thing is a freaking ripper. Oh my god, I miss this freaking beauty, dude. Like, you don't even understand how much I miss this bike. Like, I'm telling you, the rawness of a motorcycle, and in my opinion a sports bike specifically, I know this is not a race ready sports bike, like nothing super extreme, but it still gives you that sports bike feeling. Of course, I know people who've ridden multiple bikes are gonna say this is more of a daily kind of street riding kind of bike, and it probably is. You know, I don't disagree with them by any means, but for a first bike, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Would recommend. Would recommend. Alright, so this is a little too far back. There you go. Oh! Yeah, it feels a little odd having to lean over for not having to do it for quite a while. And I mean, when I say lean over, I mean almost nothing, because this bike, well, I mean, because this leaning action is really almost nothing, to be honest. So, but whew, honestly, I have no idea. We basically just made a whole loop around my house, so we're gonna go straight, keep going straight for a little bit, and then just kind of go home again. Just wanting to experience this bike for one last time. I don't know how many more times I'm going to be riding this, but no, today I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it. Should probably be riding all my gear, but you know what? Once in a while, I think being a squid, it's a-okay. It's a-okay. I don't recommend it personally, but you know, it's a-okay. Come on, baby. I'm ready to go. Come on. Power on this bike, Jesus Christ, dude. I swear I miss doing this. Come on, brother, what are you doing? Feels so good, I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful sunset to our right. downshift. Oh. Brother, it's a fucking line for a reason. Learn how to freaking use it. God, I hate people. Whew. Let's go, baby. Oh. Insane freaking. Oh. Drop a couple of gears to slow down. There you go. I'm trying to learn how to trail brake. I get the concept, but I've never done it. So, like I said, I'm trying to understand when's a good time to trail brake and how to do it. But also, guys, I think this is probably gonna be it. I am starting to get cold as the sun is starting to come down. I took way too long to finally say, you know what? Let's take the bike out and gear up. But honestly, this has been one sick day, I'm not gonna lie.